Airstream and Porsche brainstormed visionary travel trailer concept. Legitimately, they work together? Interesting. I've been a fan of the Airstream aesthetic. The stainless steel. Look how they paired it to the silver on that Porsche at the front is, whew, that is some shiny silver.
I think this is a render.
Well, no, it's absolutely a render. I'm just saying, like, they really went for it on that color. They tried to hit that Airstream metallic, which is hard to do in a paint color.
Sure.
Because it is actually stainless steel in the case of the Airstream. So if you like put a Cybertruck on it, it would be very comparable. Mm-hmm. I love the look of this Airstream. You see, you got the awning comes out. They had the bench seating at the back. It's got a futuristic look to it. You have the pop top on it for a little bit more room on the inside. A little bed. Look at the TV / iPad looking thing. They always have to put some produce on the counter. See that?
Yeah, and hanging plant.
A little pop of color. Uh-huh. Because you're living in there.
Yeah, organic.
And you're chopping and dicing and cooking, and don't let them tell you you can't do it. You can do it. Van life. Airstream and Porsche teamed up in this case, I guess, to imagine what this might look like as everybody tries to be cool and capitalize on the RV lifestyle. These things are selling out all over the place, you know. Uh-huh. Everybody wants an RV lifestyle. You're close. You got the Bronco already, so you're close.
I'm definitely going to take it out. Have like a battery pack as well.
You're getting close.
Yeah.
And then once you start down that path, next thing you know, you're buying one of these.
The Porsche one?
No, I don't know. Just something like it, because you're out there longer periods of time. Uh-huh. And you start, you know.
It's very silvery, eh?
It's
even
very
indoors.
It's very silvery.
Yeah,
shiny.
There's a lot of metallic.
But that's the Airstream thing, though.
Yeah.
Look at this little picnic table over here. Little tailgate.
Okay.
Come on, Will.
Is that a TV?
150,000. You buying or are you selling?
I'm not buying just yet.
All right.
It is very cool, though.
Remains to be seen.
Yeah.
I don't think they're making it yet. It's strictly a concept at the moment. The biggest departure from the traditional Airstream design comes at the rear, where a tall, broad wall takes place as the usual curved bulge in an effort to improve aerodynamics. The reimagined rear end also houses a split tailgate that opens into a deck and awning combination, clearly inspired by the new Vision S camper van from Airstream's European cousin, Heimer. There's a surprising amount of innovation that takes place in the camper world. It's so purpose-built and purpose-driven. They're like, oh, this is how people are using it. Let's design it to do that. It's always inspired by an actual request or need. And it looks like a legitimate partnership here. Airstream Studio FA Porsche concept travel trailer. Yeah, maybe it ends up getting made at one point in time. Look, they're chatting, they're touching materials. You know, when the dudes show up from Germany and they're touching the materials, something might be going on. You might pull your vest out, your puffy vest.
Puffy vest.
Like the other guy.
Yeah, yeah.
You know?